If you're wondering what kombucha does for your body, or you're wondering what are the health benefits of kombucha, then keep watching. So let's start by looking at what kombucha is, and then we'll get into what kombucha can do for your body and what the health benefits of kombucha are. Kombucha is a drink that originated from the northeast of China around 220 BC. It's thought to have healing properties. It came over to Europe in the early 20th century, but due to lack of tea and sugar, it took a dip in popularity, but it's been on the rise again since the 60s. Kombucha's got a sweet, tangy taste, but the taste can vary depending on the tea that's made it and how long you've left it to brew for. So let's look at what does kombucha do for your body and the health benefits of kombucha. If you search online, you'll see a lot of claims about the health benefits of kombucha. And I have to be honest, I've been exploring health and wellness now for about 20 years. And I've been in the industry for nearly as long. And when I see something with a very long list of health benefits, I am a little bit skeptical and I want to do more research. Kombucha claims are like, it's a probiotic, it's a good source of antioxidants, it's got vitamin C, it's got vitamin B, it's used to treat cancer, it's used to treat AIDS, it's great for gut health, it's great for digestion, it's great for weight loss. It can do all that? Wow! You see what I mean? It sounds like a miracle. So we have to dig a little bit and we'll get into the alleged health benefits and more in just a minute. First, let's talk about some of the concerns about kombucha's health benefits. Some people worry about the sugar content in kombucha. This is because it's brewed with 340 grams per 4 litres of water. But the sugar isn't something to worry about because the bacteria in the SCOBY just gobbles up all of the sugar. So the sugar would have a minimal impact on your blood sugar. The second worry is about too much caffeine. If you decide to make kombucha from home, then you can completely control the volume of caffeine in your kombucha because you can use calf or decaf. Some people worry about the amount of alcohol in kombucha. Typically it's about 0.5%, which according to Wellness Mama, one of the sites that we researched, that's about as much as an overripe banana. Want to make kombucha at home rather than buy cans or bottles of kombucha, you'll be doing the environment a favour and you'll be saving yourself some money too because it's a bit cheaper to make at home. To try making it at home, we bought ourselves a SCOBY and popped it in a massive jar and we make our own at home. So let's get into the health claims about kombucha. Healthline published an article including 8 health benefits of kombucha based on scientific evidence. They say it may have a probiotic effect on the gut. They also say it may contain the health benefits of green tea if you use green tea to make it. It has antioxidant effects on the liver, especially if you use green tea, so it could benefit people with liver disease. The Healthline article also says that kombucha can kill bacteria such as undesirable bacteria and yeast. But I'm unclear about this because other sources say that kombucha should be avoided if you've got a yeast condition like Candida. Healthline also say that kombucha may reduce heart disease risk. Studies on rats show that kombucha can greatly improve 2 markers of heart disease, bad LDL and good HDL cholesterol, in just as few as 30 days. But as far as I know, this is just rats, and I haven't seen any studies on humans. Again, green tea is cited as having heart disease reduction benefits. The article also goes on to say that a study in diabetic rats found that kombucha slowed down the digestion of carbs, which reduced blood sugar levels, and it also improved liver and kidney function. The Healthline article also goes on to say that kombucha made from green tea is likely to be even more beneficial as green tea itself has been shown to reduce blood sugar levels. In fact, a review study of almost 300,000 individuals found that green tea drinkers had an 18% lower risk of becoming diabetic. In test tube studies, kombucha helped prevent the growth and the spread of cancerous cells due to its high concentration of tea. The article also says that kombucha is a probiotic rich tea with many health benefits. The BBC adds that kombucha includes vitamin C, B1, B6 and B12. This is the reason that I actually started drinking kombucha in the first place, because the DNA test that I had said that my body struggles to absorb B vitamins, and this seemed like a really good way of being able to get some of those. I know in a lot of cases meat is recommended for getting B vitamins, but I want to take a healthy view on the environment and I don't want to be consuming too much meat. I usually really do like Healthline as a resource, but I found some of the claims around kombucha here may be a little bit ropey. Yes, there is some science, but it's mostly been performed on rats and in test tubes. And it seems like most of the benefits being claimed for kombucha are actually claimed through green tea. And the problem for me is that I don't really like green tea. We actually prefer rooibos tea, which is a red tea, not a green tea, but it's also caffeine free. And it also claims to be packed with antioxidants. It may also help certain conditions, like reduce cancer or help people with type 2 diabetes. But like with a lot of the studies that we've already talked about, really it's only been tested out on mice and there are no human trials. So who knows? Reading another article on kombucha by Healthline, it states that kombucha can be dangerous to some people. It says it can be dangerous to those people, especially with weakened immune system or suffering from cancer or kidney or HIV conditions. There have been allergic reactions to kombucha too. It's also not recommended for pregnant women, and kombucha may also cause bloating and digestive distress. So in summary, if you like the taste of kombucha, it might be a nice addition to your day. From the point of view of health benefits, for me, the jury's out. Sure, it's been linked to an array of health benefits, but if you overconsume it or you've got one of those health conditions mentioned, it's not going to be any good to you whatsoever. And while you may get some health benefits from kombucha, you may also get the same benefits from other sources of food. Please use the comments below to tell us your experiences of kombucha. If this video has been useful to you in your exploration of kombucha and its health benefits, then please give this video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. And why not subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of all of our latest health and wellness uploads, including interviews with experts and product reviews, as well as more videos like this.